I've started a GoFundMe, and this is why. I'm 43 years old. I left home at 17 years old because I was mentally and physically abused. I have no family to help me. My dad died when I was 10, and my mom and stepdad were abusive to me. I've lived on a shoestring budget my whole life, and when I lost my job at the end of 2024, it caused me to eventually lose everything. I am now completely destitute. I no longer have a car. Losing my job caused me to not be able to get my car fixed when it broke down in the parking lot of the apartment complex I was evicted from. My car was impounded with breathalyzer equipment in it, and now I owe for that too. I am an alcoholic and I am in recovery. The money will be used for these expenses. I owe $2,500 to the breathalyzer company for their equipment. I owe my friend $6,000 for paying for the bills once I lost my job. She was my roommate. I need a reliable car to get to and from work. The car I had was $3,000 and it needed something fixed every month until finally it broke down for good with the breathalyzer in it. I need to get my own place. By mid 2025, I was literally homeless and sleeping behind a building. I haven't been to the dentist in 20 years, and I also would like to have my teeth looked at. I don't have insurance. I can't afford insurance in this economy. I want it to be known I have zero violations on probation. I am on probation for a DUI. I'm not going to use the money for anything but to fix the mountain of problems losing my job has caused me. I need a second chance. All I'm asking for is a second chance to be a successful adult in America. This is a great country, but I fell through the cracks and I can't do this on my own anymore. Please, please help me.